So when it comes to operations research, we are concerned whether it can help us to make decisions related, whether it is a qualitative aspect or quantitative aspect. Definitely it is a quantitative aspect. The OR cannot find solutions which cannot be expressed in quantities. That means it should be expressed in numbers. Qualitative is only subjective. We cannot really find a solution through operations research, but maybe when it comes to quality management issues, maybe operations research may find solutions for, but qualitative issues cannot be really addressed by operations research. Similarly, when we have to define a model, as we have seen earlier, it is a scientific, analytical and systematic method to find a solution which can be used repeatedly again and again, maybe with modification or without modification. So for maybe short term or medium term or long term, that we have to see depending upon the kind of the problem or nature of the problem, situation, all those things will take place. But there is no hard and fast rule that the model cannot be modified at all. Models can be modified based upon the requirement from time to time. And we have different types of models they are available. So how we are going to engage those models are different situations, but finally whatever the kind of classification or types of models we have, all of them should serve the purpose of organization only.